Okay. Today we will be solving some questions related to exponents and power chapter of class 8th. Okay. See, this class 8th chapter, exponents and power, was there in the old syllabus. It is not there in the new syllabus. The new syllabus, this chapter has become as power play in Ganita Prakasha. See, NCERT, what they have done here is they have made the chapter power play as a very big chapter. In the old chapter, it was in the old syllabus, this chapter is very small, but it was more mathematics like problems oriented. Whereas in the new syllabus, the power play chapter, what has happened is it has tilted towards creative thinking. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ಎ ಬೆಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್, ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, I feel that the student should practice the examples and the exercise given in the old syllabus chapter of exponents and power. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 9th 10th 11th 12th ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅವೇ ಜಂಪ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ us take this, try these. Okay, so here they have asked find the multiplicative inverse. See, in the power play textbook alli they have not mentioned what is a multiplicative inverse of a number. So I would like to say that if we have a to the power of m, then the multiplicative inverse of a to the power of m is a to the power of minus m. Similarly, the corollary is also true. That is, the multiplicative inverse of a to the power of minus m is a to the power of m. Okay, so now, so what will be the multiplicative inverse of 2 to the power of minus 4? Its multiplicative inverse is 2 to the power of minus 4 ಗೆ minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so that is, this becomes 2 to the power of minus into minus becomes plus 4. Similarly, what is the multiplicative of 10 to the power of minus 5 is 10 to the power of plus 5. ಅದೇ ಥರ third one, multiplicative inverse of 7 to the power of minus 2 is 7 to the power of plus 2. And fourth one, 5 to the power of minus 3, the multiplicative inverse ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 to the power of plus 3. And 10 to the power of minus 100 in the multiplicative inverse, 10 to the power of plus 100. Okay, let us come to the next question. Expand the following numbers using exponents. Exponents use ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ 1025.63. ಸೊ 1 is in which place? It is in thousandth place. So 1 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 10 to the power of 3, need not write it, 2 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 1 plus decimals ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. First decimal will be 10 to the power of minus 1, second decimal will be 10 to the power of plus 1. Similarly, next one we will take 1256.249. This will be 1 into 10 to the power of 4, it's in the fourth place, plus 2 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 1. No, 6 will be 10 to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I made a mistake here. This will be third place. Sorry, there are 3 zeros here. 1 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 is nothing but 1000. Correct? So 1000 means 1 into 10 to the power of 3. Similarly, 2 is what's place is there? 20. So 20 is 2 into 10 to the power of 1. 5 is what? It is 5 only. So 5 is 5 into 10 to the power of 0. So this becomes 1 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0 plus 6 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Similarly, let us take the next one. 1256.249. Confuse ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ just write down. What is 1? 1 is nothing but 1000. What is 2? 2 is nothing but 200. What is 5? Here it is 50 and 6. So this number becomes 1 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 0 plus decimal will be, first decimal is 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. Simplify and write in exponential form. First one we have minus 2 to the power of minus 3 into minus 2 to the power of minus 4. Which formula we will use here? You observe that the base ಎರಡರದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n plus n. So this becomes minus 2 to the power of minus 3 plus of minus 4 or minus 2 to the power of minus 7. We also know that a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So this becomes 1 by minus 2 to the power of 7. Okay, next question. P cube into p to the power of minus 10 is equal to p to the power of 3 plus minus 10 is equal to p to the power of minus 7 is equal to 1 by p to the power of 7. Next one, similarly 3 square into 3 to the minus power of minus 5 into 3 to the power of 6 is equal to 3 to the power of 2 minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 to the power of 3. Okay, next let us come to the exercise chapter. Exercise 10.1, first one, evaluate. First one, evaluate 3 to the power of minus 2. This is equal to 1 by 3 square is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 is equal to 1 by 9. Okay. Similarly, we have second one, minus 4 to the power of minus 2, which is equal to 1 by minus 4 to the power of 2, which is equal to 1 by minus 4 into minus 4 is equal to 1 by 16. Okay, 1 by 16. Next one, third one, half to the power of minus 5. Okay, this is interesting. So this is where you need the practice. Okay, so half is nothing but I can write it as 2 to the power of minus 1 to the power of minus 5. We know that a to the power of n to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Therefore, this becomes 2 to the power of minus 1 into minus 5. What is minus into minus becomes plus. So minus 1 into minus 5 is 2 to the power of 5. Second question. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. They want the power notation, but the exponent has to be positive, not negative. Okay, so let us take the first question. Minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. This is equal to minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. What formula we are using here? A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. If we use this formula, we get this equal to minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 8, which is equal to minus 4 to the power of minus 3 they want exponent to be positive. Exponent ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ this becomes 1 by minus 4 to the power of 3, because what formula we are using here, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So let's go to the second one. Second one, what does it say? One by 2 cube to the power of 2. This is nothing but, see, either you can do this directly. See, we have a by b to the power of m will be equal to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So if we use this formula, we get this is equal to 1 square divided by 2 cube whole square. This is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 3 into 2, because what formula we are using here, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So this becomes is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Okay, this is one way of solving. I will show the another way also. Another way is what? Another method also, we can get 1 by 2 cube whole square is equal to 2 to the power of minus 3 whole square. Okay, what formula we have used here? 1 by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of minus m. So this becomes 2 to the power of minus 6, this formula. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 by 2 to the power of 6. Any method, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ method ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, both will give the same answer. Let's come to the third one. Let's come to the third question, part 3, 2, 3. We have minus 3 to the power of 4 into 5 by 3 to the power of 4. This is equal to, see what formula are we going to use here? See, the exponents are same here. Okay, so when the exponents are same, what we get, the formula is a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to a into b to the power of m. Okay, so using this formula, the base is, the exponent is same irodrinda, we take both as equal to. So minus 3 into 5 by 3 to the power of 4. 3 cancels, so this becomes minus 5 to the power of 4. Okay, next fourth one. 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. So we will convert this as 3 to the power of minus 10 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10. See, there is a division sign here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ already ಇದೆ. So usually ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಆ 3 to the power of minus 10 ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So I am just putting this in a different way. Okay, so into 3 to the power of minus 5. This is equal to, first we will simplify this. This becomes 3 to the power of minus 7 minus of minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. See here, plus minus e mistake, idu ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So slowly you do this. So this is equal to 3 to the power of minus 7 plus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. This is equal to 3 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of minus 5. This is equal to 3 to the power of 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 to the power of minus 2. So this is equal to 1 by 3 square. Okay. So let's come to the fifth one. What does the fifth one says? Okay, 2 to the power of minus 3 into minus 7 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so here again you observe the what you can observe, you have minus 3 and exponent is same. So you have the exponents are same, whereas the base are different. So what formula we'll use? We will use this formula here. Okay. So if you apply this formula here, it becomes 2 into minus 7 to the power of minus 3. This is equal to minus 14. Plus into minus is minus, 7 to the 14. Minus 14 to the power of minus 3. Minus 3 if it has to, exponential ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, becomes denominator. So minus 14 to the power of 3. This is the fifth one. Okay, so we have solved this. Next, so we have done all this. Next, the third question, third main we have, find the value of first one, 3 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 2 square. Okay, so we have 3 to the power of 0. We know a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. A can be anything. So this becomes 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 is 1 by 4 into 2 square is 2 into 2 is 4. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4 is 5 by 4 into 4. 4 and 4 cancels. This becomes 5. So the answer to this is 5. Okay. Let's come to the next one, second one. Second one, what does it says? 2 to the power of minus 1 into 4 to the power of minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 divided by, I will take it like this, divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. Okay. Now what I will do is, I will take this with the numerator. This I will take this 2 to the power of minus 2 ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this I will take it to numerator. It becomes, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 2 square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 because a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. This equals to 1 by 2. So the answer to the second one is 1 by 2. These are nice questions which they have not covered in the Ganita Prakasha. There more application based questions are there. So such pure mathematics questions which will help you for your 9th standard, 10th standard, first PU, second PU. So that's why I asked you to practice this. Next, the third one, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power of minus 2. This is equal to, what is 1 by 2? See, 1 by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of minus m. Okay. So this becomes 2 to the power of minus 1 to the power of minus 2 plus similarly 3 to the power of minus 1 to the power of minus 2 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 to the power of minus 2. This is equal to, we also have a to the power of n to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So this becomes 2 to the power of minus 1 into minus 2 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 into minus 2 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into minus 2. This is equal to 2 to the power of 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus similarly 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2. This is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 16, which is equal to 29. Okay. Slowly, step by step, if you do, they are all very easy questions. third one is over. Next is the fourth one. Fourth one is 3 to the power of, this I will solve it here only. Fourth one, 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 to the power of 0. See, one thing you remember students, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಏನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. Anything, see, remember in general form, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So directly whatever is there, this whole is raised to 0. So this becomes 1 directly, you can say. These are questions framed to waste your time, okay? In the sense, question paper e type questions kelbittu, those who have understood the concept, they will directly write it as 1. ಉಳಿದವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಓಕೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ -2/3 ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ -2 to the power of 2. Okay, first we will solve these two. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, these two, this becomes what? So this is equal to -2/3 to the power of -2 into 2. This is equal to -2/3 to the power of -4. Okay, see. Okay, let me explain a little bit here. See, there are multiple ways, there are two ways of doing this here again. What I can do this here, -2 to the power of -4 divided by 3 to the power of -4. Okay, which formula I am using? This formula I am using. I have taken exponent to numerator gu ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, denominator gu ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, -2 to the power of -4 becomes what? 1 by -2 to the power of 4, and 1/3 to the power of -4 becomes what? 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 to the power of 4 divided by -2 to the power of 4, which is equal to -3/2 to the power of 4. Okay, or you can also say, see what happens is, if you have a to the power of -b, then you get 1/a to the power of b, or a to the power of -m idre it becomes 1/a to the power of m. Ade if you have a/b to the power of -m, then this is nothing but both denominator adu melgade barutte, or I will also say 1/b to the power of -m is nothing but b to the power of m. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ a/b to the power of -m ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ b/a to the power of +m ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವೇ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ -3/2 to the power of 4. This is another possibility. Okay, so the third part is over. Let's now come to the fourth one. What does it say? Evaluate 8 to the power of -1 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power of -4. See here nothing is common here. Base common ಇಲ್ಲ, exponent common ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We know 8 can be expressed in terms of 2 to the power. We know 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Therefore, this becomes 2 to the power of 3 to the power of -1 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power of -4. This is equal to 2 to the power of -3 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power of -4. This is equal to, this portion ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 to the, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 to the power of -3 minus of -4 into 5 to the power of 3. This is equal to 2 to the power of -4 is +4. So +4 minus 3 is 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 3. This is the answer. Similarly, let's come to the second part. Second part, what does it says? 5 to the power of minus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1 into 6 to the power of minus 1. This is nothing but 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. Okay, or okay, we'll do this. This is equal to 6 5s are 30, 1 by 60. This is one way of doing it. Or you can also say the above equation will be equal to 5 into 2 into 6 to the power of minus 1, which is equal to 60 to the power of minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 60. Okay, so both ways you can solve that. Fifth question. What does the fifth question says? Find value of m for which we have 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. m ಇಂದು ಏನಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Let us solve this. We have 5, this will be 5 to the power of 1 divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. So we get 5 to the power of m minus of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5, or 5 to the power of m plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. See, here base is same, therefore we have m plus 3 is equal to 5, m is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So we get m is equal to 2. Sixth one, evaluate 6 part 1. We have space here, we'll do here only. 6 part 1. Evaluate 1 by 3 to the power of minus 1 minus of 1 by 4 to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 3? 1 by 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 3 to the power of minus 1. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3 to the power of minus 1 to the power of minus 1. ಅದೇ ಥರ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 4 to the power of minus 1 to the power of minus 1. ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಿ. minus 1 into minus 1. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Therefore, minus 1 into minus 1 is 3 to the power of 1 minus 4 to the power of plus 1 to the whole to the power of minus 1. This is equal to 3 minus 1 is minus 1 to the power of minus 1. This is nothing but 1 by minus 1 to the power of 1, which is equal to minus 1. Answer. Okay. Similarly, let's take the second one. 5 by 8 to the power of minus 7 into 8 by 5 to the power of minus 4. See, here you can see these two are inverse. Okay. So we will make them equal. So this is nothing but, see, a by b to the power of m is equal to b by a to the power of minus m. So I'll make this 8 by 5 to the power of minus 7 agutte into 8 by 5 to the power of minus 4. This is nothing but 8 by 5 to the power of minus is plus 7 into 8 by 5 to the power of minus 4. So what formula we have? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is equal to 8 by 5 to the power of 7 plus of minus 4 is minus 4 is equal to 8 by 5 cube. This is the answer. Next they have asked for simplify. Let's come to the 7th question. Seventh one, simplify t not equal to 0. t 0 ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? Anything raised 0 to the power of something will be 0 only. So t is not 0. So we have 25 into t to the power of minus 4 divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 into 10 into t to the power of minus 8. Here all numbers in it, we will try to bring it to lower simplest form. So what is 25? 25 can be written as 5 square into t to the power of minus 4 divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 into 10 can be written as 5 into 2 into t to the power of minus 8. Next step, what can all 5's I will group it. Okay. So this becomes what? 5 to the power of 2 to the power 2 minus of minus 3 minus 1. Okay. I will just show this sidewise if you are confused. 5 square divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 into 5. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 to the power of 2 minus of minus 3. ಇದು ಇಂಟು 5 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ minus 1. This is 5 to the power of 1. So this becomes 5 to the power of minus 1 into divided by 2 as it is ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Next we will take into t to the power of minus 4 minus of minus 8. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. So this is nothing but 5 to the power of minus of minus 3 is minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So plus 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 to the power of 4 into t to the power of minus is plus. So plus 8 minus 4 is 4 divided by 2. This is equal to, we have got 5t to the power of 4 divided by 2. This is a simplification. Next, let's take the second one. 3 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 to the power of minus 7 into 6 to the power of minus 5. So we will write all these in terms of simpler forms. This is nothing but 3 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is what? 10 to the power of minus 5 is equal to 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5 is equal to into 2 to the power of minus 5. Okay, so that I will write here. 10 to the power of minus 5 becomes 5 to the power of minus 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5 into what is 125? 125 is equal to 25 into 5 or no 25 into 4 is 100. Okay, correct. So this will be nothing but 5 cube. So 125 is nothing but 5 cube. So I'll write this as 5 cube divided by 5 to the power of minus 7 into what will 6 to the power of minus 5 be? 6 is nothing but 3 into 2 to the power of minus 5. 3 to the power of minus 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5. So 3 to the power of minus 5 into 2 to the power of minus 5. So what have we got here? We have, you can observe, 2 to the power of minus 5 cancelled with 2 to the power of minus 5. 3 to the power of minus 5 can be cancelled with 3 to the power of minus 5. So we are left with here these two iveradu enagutte. This becomes 5 to the power of minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5 to the power of minus 7. This becomes 5 to the power of minus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 divided by 5 to the power of minus 7. This is equal to 5 to the power of minus 5 minus of minus 7 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Answer. Okay. So the second part is over. Next exercise 10.2. Okay. Exercise 10.2. We'll solve this fast. Express the following numbers in standard form. First one, standard form ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So 0.12 ಎಷ್ಟು 0 ಇದೆ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 ಸೊನ್ನೆಗಳು. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 zeros into 85. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 5 ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 0 to 10. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 8.5 ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದಷ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ zeros are there? 11 zeros. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 11. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ 8.5 ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ 11 plus 1 12, 10 to the power of minus 12 is the answer. Similarly, second one, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Here also 11 zeros are there. So 11 zeros ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ 11 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. 11 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 9.4. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 9.42 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 11 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 12. 12 ಸಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಸಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 602. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 602 ಇದೆ. This has to be written as in form of 6.02 into 10 to the power of what ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 10 to the power of 13 ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 10 to the power 13 14 15. ಸೊ 15 ಸಲ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 6.022 into 10 to the power of 15. Okay, next the fourth one. Similarly, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್? 8.37 into 10 to the power of, here you are going right side ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಲಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, similarly the last one, here we have to express this as 3186 ಅಂದರೆ 3.186 into 10 to the power of, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 to the power of 10. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಯು ಡನ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Express the following numbers in usual form. Usual formally ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So first one will be 3.02 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Minus 6 ಅಂದಾಗ 6 ಸಲ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ 302. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಸಲ ಇದೆ, 6 ಸಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 ಸಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, 4.5 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 4.5123 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 4 is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 to the power of 4 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 4 ಸಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಜಂಪ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 4 5 1 2 3. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ರೈಟಿಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, 3 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 8. ಸೊ ಯು ರೈಟ್ 3, 8 ಸಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ಸಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 0 ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲರ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1.0001 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 9. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? 9 ಸಲ ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1 1 2 3 4 4 ಸಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನೂ 5 ಸಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4 5 6 7 8 9. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, 5.8 into 10 to the power of 12. This is ಹಂಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 12 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 12 ಸಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12 ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. 3.61492 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of 6. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ, 6 ಸಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. 1 2 3 4 5 ಇನ್ನು 1 ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0. ಓಕೆ, now third one, second is over, third one, express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. First one ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1 micron is equal to 1 divided by 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 meter. So is equal to 6 10 to the power of minus 6. ಎಷ್ಟಿರೋ ಇದೆ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಇದೆ ಮೀಟರ್. Similarly, second one, charge of an electron is so many coulombs. Okay, 0. so many coulombs ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.6 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 1.6 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power ಆಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಣಿಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So 10 to the power of minus 19 charge of an electron. Next, size of bacteria. Size of bacteria is 0.00000005 meter. This will be nothing but 5.0 into 10 to the power of minus, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 to the power of 7 meter. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ 0.00001275 meter. This is equal to ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ 1.275 ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 2 3 4 5 10 to the power of minus 5. Next, thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 mm is equal to 7 into 10 to the power of ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 minus 2 mm. Okay. Next, fourth one. In a stack there are 5 books. 5 ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ಸು 20 mm, ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ 20 mm. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಿಡ್ತು ಇಂಟು 20 mm. ಮತ್ತು 5 ಪೇಪರ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್, 5 ಪೇಪರ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಪೇಪರ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ 0.016 mm. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5 into 20 is 5 2s are 10 100 mm plus 16 5s are 80 0.080 mm. This is equal to 100.080 mm. ಇದನ್ನ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೋಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 1.0008 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ, 1 2 10 square mm. Okay, so this completes all the questions. Hope this is useful. Thank you.